It said apply a thin layer. I didn't do that. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell, and today guys, I am going to be unboxing my second BoxyCharm box. Now, I was really excited. I just got the delivery. I couldn't wait to open the box. Now, I just washed my face, so I'm going to check to see if they have like a moisturizer that I can try out. Here's the box, and the first little card has all of the products on it. Invite only. Ooh, it looks like one of the products spilled. Ooh, I don't like that. So the first product I received is by M. Green Grass. It is the foaming body scrub. Now, I was going to go and buy me a new body scrub. I'm really happy that I actually got another one. I am just disappointed that it leaked. Ooh, I like the way that smells. Ooh, it smells really good. So the next product that I received is by Glow on Fifth Beauty. It is the Refresh Plus Reset Brightening Mud Mask. I am obsessed with skincare products. I think I might want to try this mud mask out right now. I can't get it open. It smells like plastic though. It's not a strong smell. It's very light. And it comes with a little spoon that I could use to apply it to my skin. It says to leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. We're gonna try it out, okay? We're gonna try it. I don't know which way, like how to hold this. I don't know, okay? So we're just gonna use one side. This thing sucks, but I don't want to use my hand, so I'm going to continue to use it. It's easy to spread this product. It's just the thing that I'm using. I need to invest in some brushes. How do I look? It said apply a thin layer. I didn't do that. I look crazy, but I'm gonna leave the mask on for 15 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it off. All right, y'all, so the mask, it's getting a little tight. It's been close to 15 minutes. I think it's been 15 minutes, but I'm about to go rinse my skin off and I'll be right back. So it does say to apply a thin layer. When I was rinsing it off, it was a little annoying because I did pack a lot of product on there. So it took me a minute to get it all off. But after I got it off, my skin felt amazing and I think it looked amazing. Okay, so this next product is by Trust Fund Beauty. It is their Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. I'm about to apply some. It's a nice sweet smell. Feels really nice on my lips. That was nice. Okay. Ooh, I like it. And it's nice and light on my lips. I love the way it feels. Okay, so the next product that I received is by the brand Primrose and Cream. It is their Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Ooh, this is really pretty. Oh, okay, so it comes with a mirror. And then these colors. I don't know which color to use. So we're gonna swatch some. I would apply one to my lips, but I don't know which color I should put on there. My hand's a little ashy, but you know, we just gonna ignore that, okay? These are the colors. And I was trying to think of which one I could apply to my lips on top of this oil. I don't even know if that's a good idea. I don't know. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna put this like one that's like closer to nude, kind of. Okay, let me look in the, ooh, ooh, ooh. I guess it's not bad, but when I first put it on my lips, I was just like, I don't think so. So after actually looking at it, it didn't even look that bad. It was a little bit brighter, something that I wasn't used to, and I think that's all it was. Can I put one on top of the other? Ugh. I added them both together. I don't like that pink color. I'm not a fan. I don't know about putting this on as a blush. I don't have any other makeup on my face. And I think that if I was, I'd probably use the last one. I don't wear blush that often. I mean, I rarely wear blush. I don't even buy blush. So, I don't know. Maybe the next time I try makeup, I will actually put blush on. The last product that I received is by Trestique. I don't know how to say that. This brand. It is their refillable foundation plus blender in a forever case. It looks fake. Look at that. Okay, so this is a foundation stick. It looks fake. Like, just how shiny it is. What color is this? Oh, it's tan. It matches the color of my chest. I don't think so. Because what is this? This is not even close to my shade. That is not gonna work. I don't know why they would send me the color tan. This would be like a concealer shade. It's pretty cool though. I've never used a stick foundation and I've always wanted to see what it was like. And I think I would like it a lot. I think I like it better than the liquid. I really should have read the box though. I should have read the shade. I was a little confused as to what it really was. And it says on the box, it says for tan skin with warm undertones. For tan skin. I don't have tan skin. That was all of the products in my November Boxy Charm box. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about any of the products that I did receive in my box? I would say out of all the products I received, I really did like the lip oil and the mask. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.